Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to measure for flooring in a room. I have rentals and we're often replacing the flooring, whether it be carpet or the vinyl laminate flooring. And when you're a DIY guyer, you are often doing that yourself. So you don't have a buddy to hold the other end of the tape measure on the other side of the room. The ACTBOT 2-in-1 laser tape measure makes that pretty simple. And I'm going to show you how. So this little gadget is a regular tape measure up to 16 feet. It's got the magnetic end. It's got the measurements on both sides in feet and inches and centimeters and meters. But anyway, let me show you how quickly you can get the square footage of room so you can order your flooring. All right, guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly take the square footage of a room. I want to replace the flooring in here. This is a rental I have. Need to replace the flooring. As DIYers, you're often doing it yourself, you know. You don't have somebody hold the tape on one end of the room as you walk to the other end of the room. Or if you don't, you've got to walk the tape across the floor and the length and the width and all that good stuff. Well, with the ACTBOT 2-in-1 laser tape measure, that makes this job a lot easier, and I'm about to show you why. All right, all you got to do now with the ACTBOT 2-in-1 laser tape measure, turn your tape measure on, and you've got a laser end on one side, a laser eye here, and this is the corner you're going to put up against the corner of your room. So you go first to area. We want square footage, so there's a button here you press on the side. You press it until you see, well, you press it once actually, and they're asking for the length of the room. You will go ahead and put your measure against the wall. You'll see a red dot on the other end of the room. Hit your button. You've got the length. Now they're asking for the width. Just turn around here, do the same thing. You got the red dot over here. 221.23 square foot. Now, in case you're wondering how accurate this is, it's very accurate. I will show you. And if it's not, you can self-calibrate these. But this out of the box was extremely accurate. I mean, I'll have to double check, but I think it was accurate to the 16th of an inch. That's getting pretty darn picky there, especially if you're just figuring up square footage of a room. But wow, what a difference it makes for a DIY guy. So now I know I need to order 221.23 square feet of flooring for this room, whether that be carpet or the vinyl laminate flooring, which I'm going to put in here. Makes the job so much easier. Okay guys, I'm going to show you another application of this laser tape measure. I've been showing you the area function, how to find the area of a room or square footage of a room. You can also use what's called the continuous measurement or measuring function. And this would be an example here. From the corner of this room, or this wall right here, over to beyond the tree here. Let's say, see this wall here? From there to here. Let's say the wife wanted you to hang something right in the middle of that wall. Well, how do you find the middle of it without help? I'm going to show you with the continuous measurement function of the ACTBOT 2-in-1 laser tape measure. So when you first turn the ACTBOT on, this is the screen. This up here is showing you that it's measuring. The measurement will be taken from the back of the tape measure. Over here is the battery level, which it's fully charged. Down here is 0 measurements. And what we're going to do, we're going to take and put this into continuous measurement mode by pressing the measure button, long pressing, or just pressing and holding it. All right, it's measuring up at the ceiling right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that function. We're going to measure from this corner over to the one I just showed you, find the total distance, and then I can show you how you find the middle of the wall without stretching your tape measure clear across the room. All right, so what we'll do, get this lanyard out of the road. Yeah, I don't know about this lanyard. It kind of gets in the road all the time, so I don't know if I like that or not. All right, we're in error mode, so I'm going to reset that. I'm just going to clear it and long press the measurement button, and we're ready to go. So as I set the back of this right up against the room here, I want to hit the measurement button. And across the room, it's 18 foot, 11 5/8 inches. Now, you keep it here. And I'm going to just kind of guesstimate. So if the wife wants something right in the center of that wall, which thank God she don't, but let's just say I'm going to bring it up here, and what's half of 18? Basically, it's 18 foot 11. Let's just say 19 feet. It's very close to 19 feet. So while still in the continuous measurement mode, you just put your tape measure somewhere. I'm kind of trying to figure out where maybe 9 foot would be. So we put this, we're finding our dot over there, and it's measuring, look at that, 9 foot 4 inches. Not too bad. So if I want exactly 9 foot, I'm just going to move this a little closer. There's 9 foot 2 inches, 9 foot 1 inch, 9 foot exactly right there. Actually 9 foot and 3/4 inches, but I'm going to live with that. Anyway, you get the idea. So I hold that there, and from the back, that's measuring from the back of the machine. I'd take my pencil, mark the room right there, and we've got that's the center of this wall right here. If you've had to do this kind of work very much, you'll appreciate this little thing. And I'm pretty tickled with it. Really like it. You know what the alternative to doing that is? You're first going to have to try to stretch a tape measure from that corner to that corner, and if you don't have anybody to hold it on that end, that's going to be quite a challenge. Once you've got that measurement, then you've got to come back and try to measure this out again, clear across the room, find 9 feet. That's got a pretty good standout for a little tape measure. Can you see that? Not bad. But anyway, yeah, I'm far from it. But yeah, quite a nice standout. But you get the idea. This makes it so much easier. And as I've often said, I like making things, and I like things that make making things easier even better. So the ACTBOT 2-in-1 laser tape measure. Great little tool to have in your toolbox. Okay, I'm going to check out the accuracy of this ACTBOT laser measure. So first I'm going to line it up with the edge of this wood here, the wood flooring that goes across the other side of the foyer to the baseboard. So we're going to go ahead and I've got it lined up perfectly here. I'm going to go ahead and hit my measure button. There's my red dot over there on the other side, I think you can see. So I'm going to hit measure. And I have got 7 foot 11 and 15/16 inches. That's what we're getting, 7, 11, and 15/16. 7 foot 11 and 15/16. Right to the edge of this wood here. Now, I'm going to check this tape measure first. I'm going to run it across here, and then we'll compare it to my Stanley 25-footer. This tape measure reaches out 16 feet and 5 inches. So I'm going to measure this over here. And I've got it contacting there. I can still read the measurement here, 7, 11, and 15/16. And I've got to show you this. This thing is dead on. I don't know why my light came on. But anyway, yes, this measured 7, 11, and 15/16. The laser did. And I'm trying to hold this right over the center, like I'm looking right down over it. And boy, it is on, right on. We'll lay the Stanley down there against it and see if it says the same thing, but I'm impressed. Okay, guys, here's both of them. Side by side. Can you see that? Those are both measuring 7 foot, 11 inches, and 15/16, exactly what the laser said. So you can have confidence in the ACTBOT 2-in-1 laser tape measure. I love it. That's awesome. All right, can you see that? I don't know if you can read that. I'm trying to get it. The light went off. It's blurry. But it's 15/16, 7, 11, 15/16. Exactly what this says. Beautiful.